Hello, I'm Realtor Erica Swallow, and this is the Best of the Nest series featuring the best local businesses in Western Massachusetts and the Pioneer Valley. We're at Granny's Baking Table in Springfield, Massachusetts, where everything is made from scratch and with love. Today you'll meet co-owner Sonya Yelder and see where Springfield's best beignets, meltaways, and croissants are made.
Hi, welcome to Granny's Baking Table. I'm Sonya Yelder. I'm the co-owner of Granny's. So Granny's was named after my grandmother. The original concept has kind of pretty much stayed. I wanted to be local. I wanted to have a large table down the center of the space so that people could sit and talk with each other. It's about conversation and making connections. And I wanted to make from scratch. So that's kind of how my mother did it, my grandmother did it. So I guess I wanted to continue with that tradition of how I was raised. So the intent of the community table was to get people to meet and get to know other people they don't know. You know, it was never meant to be an office. It was never meant to come in and do your office work. It was to meet people in the city. You know, Springfield's very diverse. So we wanted to make a diverse environment that people are comfortable in, that they can come in and meet and ask questions and whatever they need to do with other people. Little history of the wall, my grandmother, my uncle, people we don't know. But they're local artists, local photographers, photos. So we're like, give us people you may know or whatever. So that's what we asked for and they delivered.
I love coming to Granny's Baking Table for a pick-me-up. And when I'm feeling down, I come for a sweet tea and a highfalutin. This is an awesome croissant sandwich with melted cheese all over it, bechamel sauce, and it even has capers. The next time you're in downtown Springfield, stop by Granny's Baking Table, one of the best in the nest.